Facewatch's facial recognition processing works primarily on biometric data. That means a clever algorithm measures the face of everybody entering a premises, measures them in terms of ones and zeros, and that data is needed in order to compare that face to our database of known criminals. And a match or no match can be quickly made, highly accurately. Where there is no match, we have no use for that data and it is deleted instantaneously. And shoppers can be secure in the knowledge that we don't hold that data. Criminals can't be. They should know that we hold that data so that we can recognize them when they go into one of our stores. The Facewatch facial recognition camera will spot a person if they are known to be one of the known criminals on our database. And that's when we send an alert to create a safe environment for the store and the shoppers.